ladies and gentlemen. All right, that's how team. They're double. Ladies and gentlemen, another. For some. See, you say yes. What? So, did I do my dance correctly? Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Whew. But still, look, last 20 rounds. All these cash hunts, all these coin flips. Mind you, we had coin flip 3 times in a row, right? So that was pretty cool. Z, well, at least Z, you're being honest. 7x cash hunt. You see, needs some work, but it's okay, right? We all learn day by day, right? Barry, I wish I could understand, but me no comprende. Ladies and gentlemen, how about hunting? One last time for a good time, right? And with a 7 times multiplier, baby, let's go! Arthur, do you see what I see? Exactly! Baby, look at that! Look at that! Yeah, please join. Let's do it together. What's up, guys? We're hunting here together, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's Ariana, that's Arthur. 7x, ladies and gentlemen, by the way.
Lucky lady, huh?
Hello. One time for the good time, right? Ladies and gentlemen, 700x, it's L multi, so... Oh. A little bit of shuffling never hurt nobody, right, guys?
I'm still here, guys. I'm still alive.
Yeah, Arthur is watching. He's here to help you and gain all the superpowers.
Which one?
I don't know. It's always the bunny rabbit that looks suspicious.
No. Cactus.
You think
guys.
cactus?
Cactus.
I don't know. Like, all of them suspicious, right, guys?
Mm-hmm.
Like, Arthur, I'm super happy we don't have to choose it, right? Because I would be so indecisive, actually.
Okay.
Right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Silence, because we are about to reveal those beauties. I'm just curious to see who's gonna get their 700x there. But patience, dear players, it's just like, you know. I mean, I'm a super impatient person, but you better be, because
don't let him in. Close the door. I'm in already. Dude.
He's already here. You're not going nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. But here we are. Ta-da! Where's the 700x? But they look so
somewhere.
Somewhere there, but they're so beautiful.
Congratulations, nicely done, guys. Enjoy. Bunny times all. Yours out of play option available. You can also use the bet on all option, of course. Let's go. Good luck. Data is such a sweetheart. Oh, thank you. Как тебя зовут? Меня зовут Data. Data. Yeah, that's my name. That's my name. Come on. For the love of Scotland. Come on, Cash and Suix from the top spot. Nice. Hi, everybody. Okay, well, come on, give us the 500x. Yeah, buddy. 500x is there. We gotta double it up, so that's gonna be it. 1000x right there. Okay, and 75x as well, so 150x, 100x, 1k is up there. Let's shuffle them up. Okay, awesome. Nice. Okay, well, again, the carousel will stop, and it's going to be your time to choose at whichever symbol you want to aim for. Right? Right. I can't pull it again now. So decision time is yours. Again, symbols multiply is now related to each other. Where you saw that 1000x previously might not be under the same symbol anymore. Can't pick in time? Autopic will do it for you. Okay? Get that 1000x, you guys. Come on! You can do it. Well, reveal yourself. There we go. 38 of you got 1000x.
What about you, ladies and gentlemen? Would you choose your dream car or your dream house? Hey, one, you say house. I also was thinking about taking a house. Asa, you say I choose Dream Ariana. Oh, no, dear, no. Come on, red door. Yeah, crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. We choose the crazy time here. Right now, let's open up the magic door, ladies and gentlemen, and may the fun begin. Good luck to you. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time! Woo-hoo-hoo. Dear players, prepare to pick your favorite color, either green, blue, or yellow. Which team are you here for? Let's go! Dear players, prepare! May the fun begin right now! It's Sonic X Multiplayer! Good luck! Double for Team Green, ladies and gentlemen! Alright, that's how Team Green does it! Woohoo! Are you ready, dear players? It's 200 times multiplier here right now. Let's go! You got this! Another double! Ladies and gentlemen, another double! Let's double up it one more time! Yay! It will be 400 times multiplier, dear old good luck! Yes! Woo! 200x multiplier for Team Green! Great job!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't